Okay, advent of code day 4. You ride the escalator down to the printing department. The rules of paper are arranged in a large grid, and the elves even have a helpful diagram. Forklifts can only access the rule of paper if there are fewer than 4 rolls of paper in the 8 adjacent positions. Let me see if I have the line. Looks correct to me. What does X mean? That's a really small question. So 8 adjacent positions for, let's say, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What are the 8 adjacent positions? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? What are the 8 adjacent positions? Mm. There are 13 rules of paper that can be okay. The 1, 2. Okay, so this can be accessed, which is weird. This has more than 8. Okay. 8 adjacent for this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 adjacent for this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not usable, and the adjacent one is usable. So if they said like 4 adjacent, then that would mean up, down, left, right. But they have said 8 adjacent, that means the 4 diagonals as well, I believe. And so what we'll do is first we'll input the whole thing, that is converting this into a 2D array. Yeah, so let's just start split nothing. So now I can use my day one caveats to move since this is like a 2D grid. This is gonna be direction map, and this is gonna be the move thing. uh, Move this one. Once we have um, answer is 0, let n to be the array dot length, arr of 0 dot length, 0 j less than m j plus plus. So the 8 directions that we have are uh, these, and then up left. So up left would be -1 comma -1. Up right would be equals to 1 comma -1 in the y-axis. Right, left, down, left would be -1 comma 1, and up, down, right would be 1 comma 1. So if array of I j is a toilet roll or a paper roll, sorry, then for directions in direction map, move from the current position. Current position would be okay. 0 comma 0. So I comma j, the direction will be all of the directions, and magnitude is 1, and this is gonna give me the new position that I have. And so the new position, if the new position also has like another rate, count paper plus equals 1. Direction map has already been declared. Answer has already been declared. I okay. So if the x is greater than n or less than 0, and if y is now that's an issue. Okay, the x here x is the y and y is the x, because One. What's happening here? Um, they'll just need help accessing as much of the paper as they can. "43, but my answer says 30. So I think we just need to do it in one more iteration. if previous answer is greater than answer, sorry, if answer is greater than previous answer or just different to previous answer equals to answer, else we just break out of it. 43 is correct. The problem is, will it work here? Seems like it does. Okay, finally a good time this time. I can explain the solution because this time the video is gonna be small. Um, so the solution was that I created a 2D array. Um, and then I had this 8 directions in my direction map, which corresponds to the move that we need to make in the corresponding x and y axis. And so I went and did that move and created the new position, checked if it's in the bounds of the array, checked if there is a paper there, counted the number of papers, if the count of the paper is less than 4, basically a brute force kind of approach. And for the second part I just created like another loop because I knew that it would take like less than 100 iterations to achieve that. But this could have turned bad as well, but because of this condition it kind of served. Yeah, so that's probably it for the today's video. I'm really curious like how we can solve the second part more efficiently maybe. But yeah, that's it for today's video.